I'm Jim, and this is the Mevotech Overbuilt video series. Today, we're going to talk about TTX, Terrain Tough Extreme. This exclusive Mevotech line of parts is the only aftermarket product specifically designed for the heavy-duty application. What makes it so special? Well, to find out, we're going to talk to our expert, Mevo Mike. Mike, why is the TTX line unique?
Well, the TTX line is engineered from the ground up. It's 4.5 years of research to develop a ball joint specifically designed for the heavy-duty truck that's more demanding than the regular truck. The first thing we did is we made sure even the grease fitting is sealed to enable no debris to enter the grease fitting. We have a WeatherTech coating, which ensures it's a two-step process. It ensures that this ball joint will not rust. We've got an oversized ball stud on a metal-on-metal bearing construction, which again, longer life. We also have an Integra boot system, which basically seals the boot onto the ball joint to keep it 100% sealed with a one-way valve. So if you overgrease the ball joint, the grease comes out the valve, not breaking the seal at the top or the bottom, keeping the grease in there. We've got an easy snap cotter pin that basically comes in from the side and locks around the nut to keep it in there. It is reusable spring steel. We have tread locker inside the nut, and the hardware is grade 12. Everything in this ball joint has been studied and researched to map the absolute best heavy-duty ball joint out there.
It's an amazingly well thought out idea. Now, are there other features to the TTX line that would benefit the technician?
In some cases, the ball joint needs to be pressed from the bottom, and then you install the boot afterwards. So now you're going to put your boot on there. Once the ball joint's installed in the control arm, we also provide a boot staller to ensure a proper fit, which seals the ball joint 100%, keeping the grease in there for a longer life.
Okay.
In some cases where the flange is very small, less than 1/4 inch, we provide an installation adapter that you can put on there to install the ball joint properly to make sure you got a proper fit.
And all the parts and even the tools are right there in the box.
Right there in the box, labor saver, one way, one time, done well.
Very good. Thanks, Mike. Well, there you have it. TTX, Terrain Tough Extreme, exclusively from Mevotech. You got a heavy-duty application? We got you covered. Well, that's going to do it for this edition. I'm Jim, and we'll see you next time on the Mevotech Overbuilt video series.